today is one of the questions I get asked all the time in consultation. Does it come off? That happened to me once, and I've still got a hair system on. I bet that's got your attention. Right, worked in London. Used to go jogging in the morning. Used to change my front once a week, probably twice a week in London because the underground's filthy. I was also called the underground rat, the hair rat, when I was in London. So I went to in the underground every day to different places, seeing people and encourage them to do this. Anyway, let's go back. So once a week I'll do my front, but this particular time it needed a regroom. So I took the hair system off, running late. I thought, right, okay, so I got a daily tape, put it on, put the system on, went out running along a canal path, through some trees, through some woods, saw this branch come in, dodged it, didn't dodge it, hit the forehead, came up there and took the whole system off. Bit like this, and it was in a branch behind. Now that's a true story. Now, so what did I learn from that? Not to go out jogging with daily tapes on. It is risky, okay? Everything, the lace tapes and so forth, the bonds are really, really strong, okay? Now, people ask me, when will you know if it's not so strong? Always on the 3rd and 4th week, if you're bonding for that long, it's not as strong. The adhesive, once it goes on, it's absolutely fantastic. But the adhesive and the tapes, whatever you're using, go for a lot. Hot, cold. Even though it may feel really secure, on the 3rd, 4th week, it's not going to be. So for example, would I play rugby if it felt tacky and go out and play and get in the scrum on the 3rd and 4th week? No, I'd make sure I have a regroom before that game. Yeah, so it's all logical, you know. So there's my horror story about going jogging and off it came. Shared that with a lot of people now. So, tips. If you're hot and bothered and sweaty and you've been like that for a week, do a regroom quicker. If you're going back to us and regrooms, just come back more regularly and everything's fine. Bonded for 3-4 weeks, no problem. Anything longer, then it gets a little bit less of a bond. Okay guys, so can't believe I told you all that, but there we go. See you later. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe below, and have a good look round our website at hairforall.com.